Here is the current situation. We have the table and the gas cooker. The tabletop gas cooker is there. That's what we use right here. And then this particular section, I'm going to turn it to a permanent cupboard, whereby we are going to have a cupboard to keep all the cooked food, unused pots, possibly some plates or bowls, so that they won't be outside in the kitchen like this. So follow along this video and see. Don't skip any parts. You learn how to do this properly to the last stage. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back to see my videos. Let us go. So we have the space. Here is the space that we are using to build a concrete platform, on top of which the tabletop gas cooker will stay. And we're going to do a small cleaning job. Okay, so we have a sand here. Job, long process, but just follow as we go together. So I want to mix the mortar here, right here. Okay. We have cement over here. That's half bag of cement, which should be sufficient for this job. So this is the masonry aspect. The sand is quite dry, so okay. That is where we are placing the blocks. So the blocks have been placed here. We want to ensure that the space is not more than 2 feet 3 inches inside here, for a reason that I will soon mention. So we have the blocks. All right. In terms of height, the height of this cubicle is going to be a little bit higher than the original table that was here. So we're going to have something like 3 feet 4 inches in height. Alright. Pieces of block. So we are coming to this height. So when we close it up, then we level it up to this stage. Okay. To do the job. Can you see the structure? This is a wood made from cassia tree. Cassia. If you know cassia, the wood, the plank is cut out of cassia tree. Very strong. This is only about 14. Yes, it can do the job. 14 inches can do it. It can do the job. Let's see. Now we can use it to brace it at the lower part. So we cut it and use it to brace it at the lower part. So this is what we are going to have. We're going to nail this right here and cut it, bring the pencil